So today's my birthday, and I usually don't vlog, and I'm gonna try my hardest to vlog. One of the biggest reasons why I don't vlog, and a lot of YouTubers or people who film videos have the same kind of anxiety or reason, and it's because I'm really shy to film in front of my partner. For some reason, I just can't be like this while I'm holding the camera and while he's next to me. So I did talk to him about how I'm gonna try, but he's super supportive. He's always trying to encourage me to like, can't you just film while I'm like right here? I'm like, no, like leave the room. And then so I want to get comfortable with filming in front of my partner and introducing my partner little bit by little bit now that we're kind of in a healthier space. So let's see where I go. Bye.
So what did I think about the restroom? Because I'm super picky. The main thing was that the tub was clean and the toilet was clean. They had clean towels. The only thing I didn't like is their air filter in the restroom was clogged up. The bedroom was clean. The sheets were clean. The furniture was not chipped. We had a great view, but there wasn't enough wall pluggers.
So change of plans. We came here and we realized that there's an event going on right across our hotel. So we're trying to go to the event, and I'm gonna do my makeup. He's gonna get tested. I have my COVID vaccine, so I'm good to go. So hopefully they come and they do a rapid test, and we're actually gonna go to an Insomniac event randomly. It was only $40, so I'm so excited. And it's gonna be basically my last hurrah. You know, my last Insomniac event. It's very cheap, cost effective. It's here. If he doesn't get the test, then we're not gonna go. And then we call it quits, and it is what it is. I forgot my blush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this palette and utilize like the pink, because I mean you got all these colors, and I mean although I touch all the colors, I mean to touch all of them and actually use them all up, that's kind of impossible, especially if you have other colors that are similar. What pink do I want? Oh, I'll do like an orangey one. I like orange colors. See how this comes out. We're gonna do this color and see how it comes out. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of this color. Just add a little bit more color. Oh my gosh, I think it's too much. I know a trick. So whenever you put too much stuff, I just kind of put over foundation over it so that it kind of blends and it's not looking like blotchy. So, I mean, I feel like I put it too low here. I didn't even bring highlight. What the? So I have this glitter. A lot of things. I forgot my eyeliner. I bought eyelash glue, but I didn't bring any eyelashes, which is fine. I'm not gonna wear any eyelashes when I go over. See, this is just from eyeliner. I'm not even gonna mess with that because I don't got no eyeliner. It worked out. Look at the blush. You want to see my view? Oh, you can't see it. Let's see if it's better view. There you go. Ooh, look at that view. This is where we're supposed to go over there. That's the event. Right over there. Looks really empty. An update. So he was able to get the rapid testing. He's going downstairs to go get the guy, and they're gonna come up here and do a rapid testing for him. And so I think we're actually going to go to the event. It worked out. So unless he comes out positive, which I don't think he will because he doesn't have any symptoms, unless he's asymptomatic or he carries a virus, which I don't think he does, but we'll see. So I'm excited. I'm gonna go to an event. My first and last, well, not my first, but my last one basically. I really want to do it only because like I want to dance. And this is the first time we're gonna be out, or at least for me, without a mask, because I'm fully vaccinated, and this event allows you to be without a mask if you are fully vaccinated. Yay for me on my birthday. The infamous Biff Hotel. So pretty. Oh my gosh. These are jalapeno peppers with shrimp. It is the first time I've ever eaten this. I know I'm going against the whole sea conspiracy, but oh my god, I am. I'm going against it. I'm being a hypocrite right now. But it's so good. So we ordered a steak and we thought it was gonna be steak, and then it's like fried. Is this steak over? I'm not filming, make your face. Is this steak though?
I hope so.
Is this steak? Eat it and let me tell me. It's steak?
It's not chicken. It's good.
Yeah, good. I've never seen fried steak or whatever that is. Oh yeah. And then he got soup and it was really good. We're gonna go get verified. Well, I am. Well, he's gonna get verified that he's not positive. Woo. The aftermath. Nobody ever really films the aftermath. So this is how it looks like. A bunch of water balloons. Is a bunch of shit. It is over. This is how it looks like when it's over. The good thing is that we get to walk to our hotel. We don't need to drive. The hotel's right next to our corner.
Oh.
So this is how close we are. So that's the event, and then it's kind of good that they say this stuff, but then you see an ambulance and you're thinking like, oh my god, are they going towards like the event or somewhere else? We don't know. But I'm right over here, like literally like across from right here. Like I'm right here. Like literally, like I just walk in and I'm a hotel. That's how cool it is. I gotta call my partner because he was calling me.
So when we left, there was a shit ton of traffic. So I didn't film any of that. We were in a very bad mood. hungover. But overall, the pros of this location for Golden Nugget is they provided a good view and I didn't even ask for it. Bell service was actually really great. Food and restaurants and choices were pretty decent. They did have a Chick-fil-A there, but on Sundays they're obviously closed. The steak was all right. The one that he ate, he wasn't actually that 100% satisfied with. The plate was $20, and from what my partner says, it seemed like it was ground beef or slash meat. It's not worth the price. I know that he says that it tasted good, but he was actually unhappy with the price and the taste. Other than that, the pools and the fact that you can swim with the sharks is pretty neat. Didn't get the chance to do that, but if you have kids, that's super duper fun. And the fact that it's right in front of the middle of Fremont, Las Vegas, really makes it worth it if you really want that experience. Now the cons, aka the negative aspect of the stay, is we couldn't extend our stay. We couldn't ask an extra hour or two. They told us, nope, your time is up and you gotta go. Parking was not great either. It was really bad parking, so just be aware of that. Once you park, I would encourage you not to leave. And also too, the exhaust system was very weak in the restroom. Like, it was really dusty. Basically, it's just it helps circulate the air in the room. It was really poor and weak, and the walls were super thin between the rooms. I can hear everybody, and I'm sure they could hear me when I was recording and saying all that mumbo jumbo. As for the Insomniac event, I had a great time. It was pretty simple, neat. There wasn't a lot of people, which makes it great. I remember when I first started going to raves, that was the best part, that it wasn't as congested and packed. As raves got more popular, more people were going, so it was kind of like you couldn't really have enough room to dance. So, and the fact that I love to dance and I need room and I don't mind dancing by myself, that was a pro, that we had a lot of room when we went to the event. And now the negative thing, which I didn't see, is an EMT worker did come up to us and kind of talk to us very briefly and let us know that a lot of people were experiencing overdoses. And basically these are alleged statements, but I was kind of not surprised because of the fact that a lot of people are going back into the real world and partying, and depending on the type of substance that they're doing, it might cause specific overdoses. So just be careful out there, peeps. I'm bringing it up because in case if you do some stuff, please be careful out there. Be safe and be smart.
All right, you guys, I'm actually at the hospital because my sister gave birth. I'm at the hospital, and I know that I can't film in there because of HIPAA rules. I'm gonna see what I can capture when it comes out to just her and being in her room, and also, of course, respecting my sister's privacy. So, but I'm really excited. I'm at the hospital. What day is it? She was born yesterday. She's a Gemini. We got another Gemini at the house. All right, so I'm gonna stop talking and I gotta go.